Yo, this is getting out of hand, bruh. Damn, they did me dirty. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a cleaning on some Air Jordan Shadow 1s. Now, a little backstory on this pair. I went and took it to the snow about a year ago, and they honestly been through it. Ever since that snow trip, I just kind of let it sit out on my balcony. I have these storage containers and I had it sitting at the top. I totally forgot about them until today. Now, back then I got these shoes for only 40 bucks from a homie. It was a straight up steal. So I was like, you know what? If I take it to the snow, they get a little bit dirty. No big deal. But recently I had a pigeon problem at the crib. They were building a little nest and everything on my balcony, and these Shadow 1s, they got on. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to bring these back a little bit. I understand that this quick little cleaning isn't gonna do too much of a difference, but I do wanna make these wearable again and get rid of the pigeon shit. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First things first, safety is always our #1 priority. So I'm gonna be using these black gloves from Angelus Direct to keep us protected while cleaning these shoes. For today's video, we're gonna be using my sneaker cleaner that I whip up in this apartment. I label everything, I bottle everything. If y'all wanna support a small business, shopsotopia.com is where you can pick some up. We're also gonna be using 3 different brushes today. We have the all-purpose brush, delicate brush, and the sole brush. We're also gonna be using a container with some cold water. Now let's get started. Laces are out. Let's clean these babies up. I'm gonna just remove this chunk of dookie right here. Ugh, that's nasty. So we're gonna use our delicate brush first. A little bit of solution, a little re-dippy over here. Now let's get started. If this was any other shoe and it was just dirt on top, I would totally hit it with a hard bristle brush to knock off a lot of the sediments and all that stuff. But being that there was pigeon shit on here, I figured it'd be better to just make sure everything is soaked over here so we don't get any dust particles or any pigeon particles up in the air, because there are little specks here and there that be flying up and you'll be breathing them. So this is the best way to go for this specific project. Oh, hell nah. Bruh. That's disgusting, dude. Inside? Like deep? Man, I almost don't even want the insoles anymore. Oh, there's another chunk in here. Oh no, you guys are filthy. I'll get this chunk off too. Oh, hell no. I started cleaning shoes when I was in high school and never have I had to deal with oh! Dude, there's more in here. I've never had to deal with pigeon shit inside a shoe. Yeah, we're taking this insole out. Hey, y'all let me know if I'm overreacting. That is crazy. I wanna say we're making great progress so far. The shoes look a lot better. No more nasty insoles. We still need to hit the midsole area, but even the midsole area is starting to lighten up a little bit more. It was super orangey. Looks like that's coming out, so that's good. We're gonna hit the sole and then I'm gonna hit the uppers one more time just to make sure, and I'll probably even hit the inside, honestly, because this is pretty bad. Also, I almost forgot to mention, if you ever have issues where you have something that's like really deep in your midsoles, I recommend Angelus all-purpose foam cleaner. It comes with this super stiff brush and it's really good for getting out grime that's been sitting for a long time. Sometimes these softer brushes, they work cool, but you might need something a little bit stronger to pull some of the grime out. So if you guys want anything Angelus related, I have that link down below in the description. This one is a lifesaver. Any dusties or crusties in here? Doesn't matter. We're getting rid of this insole. big difference. With these Jordan 1s, the way that the leather dries is a little bit different, so don't be too worried if y'all see that. Yeah, baby. Damn, look at that leather though. Oh my God. Y'all want something satisfying? Check this out. Voila. Everything is all cleaned up now. I did 3 passes each on the midsoles as well as the uppers, inside the shoe and all that stuff. But I want to show you guys a little trick that I got. For anything that's as dirty as this, and for a shoe that is like, you know, pretty beat, if it's expensive, I wouldn't do it. But in this case, I feel like it's a must. Right now I'm adding these Angelus shoe trees in here, and we're gonna throw these things in the washer. That's going to just deep clean everything and just ensure that, you know, if I missed anything or, you know, there's something like lodged deep inside this mesh right here, it's gonna get it out. A lot of people are scared to put their shoes in the washing machine, but there is a certain way to do it. So if you guys ever have like really beat shoes like this and you just wanna make sure everything is clean, you can do it. I'll show you how to do it the safe way, all right? Whenever I throw shoes in the washer, I like to use a laundry bag. This laundry bag can be found at Target. If you're wondering the purpose of it, basically you just don't want anything to snag on the shoes. Sometimes the leather gets a little soft in there when it gets drenched with the water. You're basically adding a layer of protection right here so the blades inside the washer don't snag it. I'll have a link down below in the description if y'all wanna check this bag out. All right, let's go to the washer. So we're gonna be using this blue Tide right here. This is just the original. I feel like this works best. So we're gonna be using half a cup of this and dilute it with half a cup of water. Now let me show you the secret settings. You want cold water, okay? Cold water. Soil level, you could do light, you could do medium. I'm gonna leave it on medium. And then I'm gonna put it on delicate. So this won't spin it as crazy. It's a 10-minute wash. Once everything's done, we could pull it out and let it air dry. And in the meantime, I'm gonna clean this whole setup, disinfect everything. I feel gross right now. I feel like I gotta take a shower. But yeah, man, pretty nasty cleanup, but I know the end result's gonna look super nice. All right, y'all, just like that, the shoes are done. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go, baby. Oh yeah, so much better. Got a little bit of water inside. I'm just gonna tap them out. Look at that. I don't know if y'all could see it. Yeah, y'all see the little pond in there? Then we're gonna let these air dry. I always recommend conditioning leather sneakers after you wash them, just so the leather gets rejuvenated and moisturized again. But damn, they look so much better already. 40 bucks for these shadows? Come on, man. All right, y'all, the shoes have been drying for over 24 hours now, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some Angelus leather conditioner. Whenever you're working on leather shoes, make sure you condition it after it's nice and dry. I like to think of leather conditioner like applying lotion to your skin. It's gonna moisten it up, add a little bit of shine there, and just rejuvenate the materials. It's super simple. I'm just gonna shake the bottle up, add a little bit to a microfiber cloth, and just apply it with some love. Look at that difference. You see that shine? Now, when I'm applying it, I am leaving a little bit of residue left. I'm just gonna let it soak in for a little bit, and then I'll come back over and wipe the excess off. All right, you guys, go ahead and take a look at these babies. They look nice and slick now. I ended up adding an extra coat with that mink oil from Angelus Direct. Look at the gloss on that leather. Everything just looks so much better. It looks like it's been conditioned well, cleaned thoroughly, and it has that nice shine on it. The way that the shoe ages with the creases and all that, it's just looking beautiful. Here's a look at the other side. I was going to touch up some of these scratches back here. This is probably from that snow trip, but I'm just gonna leave them the way that they are. To wrap up this video, we're gonna go ahead and add a couple things. As you guys saw, I tossed out the original insoles, so we're gonna be using these Dr. Scholl's ones. We already know that these are 10 times cleaner than the ones that were inside, and they might even be more comfortable. Look at that. Quick tip, if you have older insoles from the same model, same size, you could always put them in here and then do the trimming. But it looks like it's pretty spot on. This size 10 right here and this size 10 is spot on. So I'm just gonna follow this line and then trim it up that way. Ooh, yeah, fits like butter, baby. Look at that. Y'all know the last step, man. Let's get some laces up in here. So if y'all remember the laces when we first started, there's some weird laces. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some luxury black leather laces on here, and I think it's just gonna wrap the shoe up super nice. It's gonna be a lot better than the laces that were originally in here. If you guys are interested in these luxury leather laces for your Air Jordan 1s, you can check out my website. The link will be down below in the description. Y'all remember when these shoes came in? They were dirty, caked up with that pigeon dookie. So we went ahead and did a deep clean on the uppers, insides, as well as the midsoles. After they dried up, we hit them with the leather conditioner and the mink oil, replaced the insoles and replaced the laces. These shoes transformed into something that wasn't even wearable into something new again. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Doing this one was super nostalgic for me, and it brought me back to the days where I used to do a lot of restorations. So if y'all enjoy this content, I can make more. Just drop a comment down below. Hope to see y'all next time. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.